Hello, today I'll show you how to set up real-time lip synchronization for MetaHuman characters, created with the MetaHuman Creator system in Unreal Engine 5.6. In this video, I'll specifically demonstrate the recently introduced realistic model with different mood support. This includes moods like neutral, happy, sad, disgust, anger, surprise, fear, confident, excited, bored, playful, and confused. I'll show you several of these moods in action throughout the tutorial. This method works completely in real time and functions reliably in packaged projects. The tutorial focuses on achieving realistic real-time lip sync using local text-to-speech input, which currently supports 41 languages and more than 900 different unique voices. However, this system can work with audio data from any other sources as well. Before we begin, you'll need to acquire some additional plugins. Please check the video description for complete details and download links. First, make sure all required plugins are enabled. You'll need the Runtime MetaHuman Lip Sync plugin, the Runtime Audio Importer plugin, the Runtime Text-to-Speech plugin, and the MetaHuman Creator plugin. Let's start by creating our new MetaHuman character. Right-click in the content browser, hover over MetaHuman, and select MetaHuman Character. Now let's give our MetaHuman character asset a descriptive name. I'll save the changes, open the asset, enable the missing dependencies, and restart the editor if prompted. Here you can configure your MetaHuman's appearance. I'll keep the settings simple for this tutorial, but for more detailed customization options, please refer to the official Unreal Engine guides. After configuring your character's appearance, click on Create Full Rig and wait for the process to complete. This may take a few moments depending on your system. Next, click on Download Texture Source and select your preferred texture resolution. Wait for the download to finish completely before proceeding. Now navigate to the Assembly section, enter a descriptive name for your character, and click Assemble. This will generate the character blueprint class that we'll be working with. I'll now add our MetaHuman character to the scene. Now we need to configure the character for lip sync functionality. Select your MetaHuman character in the outliner, navigate to the face section, and choose the animation blueprint named Lip Sync Face Animation Blueprint. You could create your own custom animation blueprint, but we'll use this plugin provided one for simplicity. Let's open the animation blueprint class and set it up for real-time local text-to-speech synthesis with lip synchronization. Navigate to the Event Graph tab within the animation blueprint. Now visit our documentation website, which contains many comprehensive examples for MetaHuman lip synchronization setup. Select the Text-to-Speech Local tab, then the Streaming subtab, and finally the Mood-enabled Realistic Model section. There you'll find a detailed screenshot of the required nodes and a convenient link to copyable nodes that you can paste directly into the editor. This saves significant time during setup. Let's open that link and copy the complete node setup for lip sync with text-to-speech runtime synthesis. Return to the event graph and paste the copied nodes into your blueprint. You'll notice 3 missing variables highlighted in the editor. You can create these automatically by right-clicking on each missing variable and selecting the Create Variable option. I'm demonstrating this process now for each variable. Next, navigate to the Anim Graph tab and add a Blend Realistic MetaHuman Lip Sync node. Connect the previously created lip sync generator variable to its corresponding parameter. You can also adjust various additional parameters here, which are fully documented on our documentation website with detailed explanations. Now we should download some text-to-speech models so that we can perform the actual speech synthesis. Navigate to Project Settings, scroll down to find the Plugin section, and open the Runtime Text-to-Speech category. Here you can download various models that suit your needs. I'll download several of them for demonstration purposes. The download process may take some time, depending on your internet connection and the models you select. After the download is complete, you can return to the animation blueprint asset. Go back to the event graph and select your downloaded model in the text-to-speech function node. You can also write your own custom text to perform the text-to-speech synthesis. The text-to-speech synthesis is performed dynamically in real time, so the latency should be minimal. However, performance depends on your hardware specifications, since processing is performed locally. Now, let's test this system in action. Let's select the happy mood and observe the results. Notice how the facial expressions and lip movements change naturally to match the happy emotional state.
This lip sync is performed dynamically and in real time from the text-to-speech synthesis, which is also generated dynamically in real time.
Let's now select the sad mood and see how the character's expression adapts. You can see the clear difference in facial animation and lip sync behavior between different moods.
This lip sync is performed dynamically and in real time from the text-to-speech synthesis, which is also generated dynamically in real time.
Let's test another English voice model with a different mood for demonstration purposes.
This lip sync is performed dynamically and in real time from the text-to-speech synthesis, which is also generated dynamically in real time.
Since the plugin is language agnostic, you can perform lip sync with text in any supported language. For example, let's test this Chinese model with a happy mood so you can see the multilingual capabilities in action.
做段口型通過補時，當個台是進行的基於通過樣式當個台生成的文本轉於音樂層級數。
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check the video description for all the necessary plugin links and additional resources.